is when you first switch on the loom, it fires all the little solenoids, and it doesn't do it in a logical order. You'd expect it to just go 1 to 24, but it has this funny little sort of dance.
Weaving has been around for a long time, but now in a contemporary way using electronic is quite exciting.
So this is a lovely combination of creative process, of actually putting threads and putting colours together.
Embracing a creative process that is slow and labour-intensive, yet pleasingly spontaneous and personal.
It is a pleasure to welcome you to Thread the Loom. This group exhibition brings together weavers and contemporary artists into the same space. We are especially proud to be able to host 5 West Midlands artists and weavers: Chantelle Folarin, Mahawa Keita, Clare Langford, Andrée Walker, and Theo Wright, along with Sogi Lee, whose work is also on view. At the heart of this exhibition, there is a AVL Studio Dobby loom, generously on loan to us from Birmingham City University. The loom isn't just for display, it will be activated through a series of micro-residencies, and works will be created on site.
Well, this particular loom, it's an AVL Studio Dobby. It's got 24 shafts, which are these things here. So there's 24 of those. The more of those you have, the more scope there is for creating pattern, so that's quite a lot. In many ways, it's a traditional loom, the same principles as any other loom, the threads going up and down and other threads passing through them. The main difference, of course, with this one is it's electronically controlled. So you can see there's a laptop on top. So your design would be programmed in some software, which we call ScotWeave, and then that would be then transferred to the computer on the loom, and that then all it does really is control how those shafts are lifted up and down. So it speeds the whole process up.
My name is Andrée Walker. My design career has taken me through a variety of positions in the commercial manufacturing of woven textiles. My practice now has come full circle, working on a 4-shaft hand loom reminiscent of the looms I first discovered my passion for weaving on. I find endless inspiration through visual journeys, through different landscapes, and my personal responses to the vivid and arresting moments of colour I discover. Participating in this mini residency at the Ikon Gallery is a wonderful opportunity to reveal some of this personal journey.
My name is Mahawa. I'm a textile artist and a community artist. I originally came from Gambia. Now residing in Birmingham with my family. I'm a mom of 4. I work with different organizations to create craft and connect with the community. Thread the Loom is quite interesting for me, and it's a great opportunity to be one of the artists doing the weaving studio and having to talk to people of all age to show them this beautiful traditional skill which have been all around the world for a long time.
It's really exciting to have the Dobby loom here in a gallery space. Normally it's in around lots of other bits of equipment at Birmingham City University at a now constructed textiles workshop. We've got another 9 of those types of machines, but also lots of hand looms and also computerized jacquard looms. So it's really amazing to see it on its own in this setting. Because it's creative subjects, of which textiles is one of those, has been really squeezed in the school curriculum. Less people know about textiles. People are very familiar with the idea of fashion design, but textiles is sometimes quite often gets slightly overlooked. So this is a really good opportunity to show making, to show people actually what goes into the cloth that they have around them.
During this time, thinking about and working with the loom, I've come to see the loom as a sentient being, or a very wise elder who has been around much longer than we have and has witnessed various changes and shifts in time. And perhaps there's something we can learn from the loom.